4 signs your car is low on Freon. How to identify and fix. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever gotten into your car on a scorching hot day, cranked the AC, and all you get is a blast of warm, humid air? Well, today we're diving into the 4 essential signs your car is dangerously low on Freon, or refrigerant, and what to do about it. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to diagnose the problem like a pro and avoid a $1,000 compressor repair bill. Trust me, you'll never look at your air conditioning vents the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Look, driving in the heat with a failing AC isn't just uncomfortable, it's distracting and, honestly, a safety issue. Refrigerant, that's the lifeblood of your AC system, doesn't get used up. If you're low, you have a leak, period. We're cutting straight to the point. Here are 4 clear signs you're running on empty, and the difference between a simple recharge and a massive repair. Sign 1. Warm air from the vents. The first sign is the most annoying: lukewarm or hot air blowing out. Your car needs refrigerant to absorb heat. When the level is low, it can't absorb enough, and the air just stays warm. The telltale clue to watch for: if the air starts cool but then quickly gets warm, that means the system's low-pressure switch is immediately shutting down your compressor to protect it. It gives you a tiny blast of cool air, then quits. That's a huge warning sign. Sign number 2. The compressor clutch won't click. Sign number 2 is less obvious. The compressor clutch is not engaging. Your car's computer won't let the compressor run if the refrigerant pressure is too low. It's a self-preservation measure. How to check: start your car, turn the AC on max. Listen for a click sound under the hood, and look at the AC pulley. If the centerpiece of the pulley isn't spinning with the outer part, the clutch hasn't engaged. No engagement means no circulation, and that means you are critically low. Sign 3. Hissing or gurgling sounds. Sign number 3 requires you to use your ears. Strange hissing or gurgling noises. When the refrigerant level is too low, you might hear a high-pitched hissing coming from behind your dashboard. That's the sound of the small amount of remaining refrigerant expanding way too fast. If you hear a gurgling or bubbling sound, that often means you have air or moisture inside the system along with low refrigerant. Either way, these sounds are direct audio proof that your system is compromised by a leak. If you are liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Sign 4. Oily spots on hoses. Our final sign is the undeniable proof: visible oily residue on AC components. Refrigerant always carries a small amount of oil to lubricate the compressor. When refrigerant leaks out, a little of that oil escapes with it. Shine a light on the hoses, fittings, and the compressor body. If you see a thin, greasy, or dirty film, you have found the leak point. That residue is your smoking gun that proves the refrigerant is escaping. How to fix it: recharge versus repair. So, you've spotted one or more of these 4 signs. What do you do now? 2 critical steps, and the first one is the most important. 1. Find and fix the leak, period. Refrigerant doesn't just evaporate. If you're low, you have a leak, period. Continuing to just add refrigerant is a massive waste of money and a fast track to killing your AC compressor. That's the $1,000 mistake. Take it to a professional to find the specific leak, usually a cheap seal or hose, and get it permanently sealed. This is the real fix. 2. The system recharge. Once the leak is fixed, or if the loss is very slow, you can use an AC recharge kit, making sure you use the correct type, R134A or R1234Y. You connect the kit to the low side port and follow the gauge. Quick warning: do not overfill. Too much pressure is as bad as too little. Get it to the right level and enjoy the ice-cold air. Don't let a tiny leak turn into a giant bill. By knowing these 4 signs: warm air, silent clutch, weird noises, and visible oil, you are now empowered to keep your AC blowing ice cold all summer long. Remember, find the leak, fix the leak, and then recharge. If this video saved you from a sweaty commute or a massive repair bill, show us some love. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Let me know in the comments, what was the first sign your AC started to fail? Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there.